Hi everyone, this is Day Zero at IBM Think, IBM Community Day and Champions Day. It's Graham and Colin from C3UG, and we're just here to let you know some of the cool things that we saw today. So Colin, what did you see that was awesome today?
Well, it's a huge conference, and what was pretty cool is for those of us that have attended ICS conferences many times, seeing the integration with broader IBM, the cloud, the security, and many other brands, that was pretty cool. And it's evident the breadth of the portfolio. Heard about that. Also this year it was the very first Champion and Community Day, which has never been done before. But they wanted to have a special day just for IBM champions and user groups in the software community around the globe. So sessions were conducted today around all the above, and it was actually pretty awesome.
Yeah, I actually had a chance to represent C3UG at the user group session, so I got up and spoke on our behalf. There was probably about, I think, 14 people from around the world representing different brands and all four corners of the world. So that was pretty fun to participate in. I think the best thing that I saw today, I saw two things. The one thing that I really loved, I'm an old school Lotus Notes and Domino guy, and I am just massively excited for Notes 10. I saw a couple of sessions today. I had a couple of conversations yesterday with people as I just arrived in town, and everybody's really pumped. I talked to a guy who works for HCL. Looks like they're all so excited to be working on the product. So that's really positive for me. And we also got to meet Artie, who's replacing Ed Brilla in the role at IBM. And you know, as a father of three girls, talk about women in technology. She's confident, she knows what she's doing, she's been around the block, she's able to engage and speak to a crowd. Not that Ed wasn't able to do that, but I'm just really excited that she's in that role and really knows what she's looking to do. So that was really quite positive.
Hello John, and welcome to the Maple Lounge. So what did you think of your IBM Champ Day?
What's important to remember is that the official IBM Think event only starts tomorrow. So today is the IBM Champion and Community Day, and you know, I've attended a lot of webinars around Domino 2025, and you know, I've been a part of this entire process. But I think what I got from today was I had no idea how much IBM was throwing into Domino in terms of this massive movement to Domino 10 and beyond. And just with some of the few sessions that I saw today, it was just overwhelming how much effort they were actually throwing into it, and it's just got me excited because I thought I had an idea of what to expect, but I have no clue what's really coming. It just leaves me excited to see when they finally start launching Domino 10. I'm actually very excited for this also.
For me, the coolest thing was the love they showed to the community. Like, they really brought all the community together, help them represent what's going on, get some feedback, work with it, and come out with a superior product. I'm really impressed with Domino 10. I can't wait for Node.js, do all this new stuff, microservices. I think it's going to rock. All the dynamics going to change. Having a NoSQL backend from the NSF is going to be major, and using the REST services, using the same tool everyone uses is going to be a major step for development for the Domino platform.